Jewin Electrical Appliances Company Limited is a professional and leading manufacturer and exporter on water dispenser, water filter, air fryer, deep fryer, sandwich maker, waffle maker, grill maker, meat grinder, and blender. We have the production history more than 10 years. With an experienced R&D team, complete product lines, and unequaled responsiveness, we can supply our customers with very competitive products and professional service to meet their specific requirements, no matter minimum order quantity or big quantity order. We have very good sales to many markets, including USA, UK, Germany, France, Spain, Thailand, Indonesia, Uzbekistan, Colombia, Chile, Argentina, and other markets. Along with output from several suppliers in close cooperation, production comes from our factories, each with strict processes front to back, beginning with material sourcing through to QC and shipping. We also can develop new customized mold based on customers' need. We will develop new products with new designs and new functions according to customers and markets every year. Our factory have passed fully implements ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and also our products have got the GS, CE, CB, ETL, LFGB, ROHS certificates. We aim to build long-term and friendly cooperation relationship with every customer. Any your inquiry is warmly welcome and would be replied quickly. Jewin creates good life.